Are we overdressed for afternoon tea at the Epicurean for £17.50? You tell us.
You tell us.
You tell us.
Hi, welcome back to Cruise with Jordan and Andrew.
Today we're going to review the Epicurean afternoon tea experience, and you can tell us whether or not we're overdressed for the experience or not. So, I thought Epicurean was smart, as in smarter than evening casual, which is normally what like a regular evening is on P&O, which I thought was shirt, tie, jacket. That is not the case.
I was shanghaied into wearing a jacket and a tie. You spent the whole holiday telling me I've got to dress more smartly than I needed to. And
We
this
did have
is,
to dress more
I'm just
smartly.
telling you, this is an example of that. So this is us in our suits, our slightly off match suits.
Yeah,
Or was it on match? I never know.
matchy, no macho. Yeah, so this is like the worst case secret. This is what we're wearing. But we're not here for what we're wearing, we're here for the afternoon tea.
We are here for that.
At least we look smart. Someone might have been in their shorts and t-shirt,
We had a
but
lovely time.
we were dressed for afternoon tea. This is Jordan walking out of our Epicurean.
Yeah, I don't know why that's there, but it is.
So Epicureans on Arvia is on deck 17, in the forward, right next to the crow's nest. They've got quite a nice sort of part of the ship, isn't it? Quite
It's
a nice
really
little
quiet
area.
up there, actually.
Yeah, it's quite like a, what do they call it when you, it's like a little
Oasis.
unique, no, experience, like a small dining venue.
Is this where the Haven people have breakfast?
The sweet people.
Oh, so the people in the suites have breakfast and dinner
Yeah.
here if they want, or they can eat with Gen Pop if they need to.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I think you can, I don't quote me, but I think you can pay for breakfast in Epicurean.
It's a nice vibe up there for breakfast.
It's really nice, so it's like open aspect out
Mm.
to the whatever side of the ship, the port side, is it? Starboard side. And it's quite, yeah, it's quite like intimate, isn't it? That's the word I was looking for,
Okay.
intimate.
Let's
very
carry
nice.
on to the...
Nice and open and airy. So we sat by the window. The tables are also quite big in there as well, aren't they? Which they're bigger than the standard dining room. So that
I
was really
thought we were
nice.
really close to the people next to us, but there was a partition between us, so that was okay.
Yeah. The service was really good as well, wasn't it?
It
I
does
really
look
enjoyed
empty
this
in there in
one.
the video, but
Yeah.
it filled up very quickly. It was clearly quite popular.
This, yeah. It did, yeah, because our dining reservation was for 3 p.m. on the last sea day of our cruise.
And that's the earliest you can go for afternoon tea.
Yeah. So, I guess they do it for 2 hours, do they?
I don't know, that's a good question.
Just in time for them to turn around for
Must
dinner.
be, yeah.
This is the menu. It's a nice mixed menu. Yeah.
Yeah? Sorry, I'm doing that thing where I don't interrupt.
Oh, well done.
Try
Just
it.
don't speak too
Very
loud.
demure.
Very considered. Yeah, so the menu was like, I thought that it was really nice. I don't think there was anything on there that I didn't like.
There was a bit on that I didn't, but I'm generally quite fussy with food, so for the price of the afternoon tea, that's the kind of menu I expected.
Yeah.
So I think it's fair, it's just I'm fussy.
Do you want to give us a rundown?
Yeah, should we have a look at the food?
Let's
Because I think I'm visual, I'll need to see it to describe it. So on the bottom you can obviously see the scones. There's two different types. There were cacao scones and traditional scones. And then on the middle level, you've got the, what's it called?
Cheesecake?
Yes, the blueberry yogurt cheesecake, which is
The
really
thing
nice.
that look like nipples.
Yeah, so check out the Instagram for your lovely video of being inappropriate.
Boobies.
And then the green one with the bit in the top is pistachio financier. They were really good.
The ones on the outside.
The ones on the outside.
They were really nice. They were really light.
I honestly thought they looked dry, but when you started to eat them, they weren't at all. They were really, really delicious. And then on the top, we've got 3 things.
I can't even read what that is.
So
The
one
lobster
we've got
roll,
is the
it?
lobster roll, which
That was
wasn't for me,
delicious.
but you
I
really
thought
loved
that
it.
was really nice. Very
And then
tasty.
I really enjoyed the corn-fried paprika chicken ciabatta.
You did, yeah.
That was really good. I
Both
both.
of them.
And then, what's the other bit? What was the tart again?
It was like a smoked salmon tart, was it? Is that what that one is?
Yeah.
Smoked salmon tart. That was
On
I thought that
shortbread,
was-
isn't it?
Yeah, it was really nice. Like it was almost like a little quiche, like a mini quiche.
Okay. That
And I love the quiche.
was alright. And then in the middle in that jar, you just saw was like a Verine Mont Blanc. So it had like a bit of meringue in there. It had dark rum, which you had to squeeze up pipette yourself. I didn't eat that, but what did you think of it?
I think I pipetted too much rum into mine. It was a little bit too rummy.
Alright.
But it was good. It was very tasty.
So this is the menu that we just spoke about. The tea was on tap, which was really nice, and I tried.
It was really good, and they were really attentive.
They were
with the
really
tea, we
attentive.
thought, yeah.
Right, that's the chocolate balls, the chocolate sphere with chocolate mousse in the middle to crack them
And
open.
then the Kilner jar was the thing with the pipette in, wasn't it?
Yeah.
The dessert. This is Jordan tucking into a tartlet.
I couldn't help myself on the pistachio. I just had to try it while it was there in front of me. See, that's good.
There's the boobies.
Really?
Nipples.
I was told off for not stirring my tea
Back and
correctly,
forth.
so there we are.
Like William Hanson tells us to do. And flick.
Very considered.
No, no
I know, I
tap
I
in.
know, I
Yeah,
did
you
not.
can flick. You're not supposed to tap.
You liked that one, didn't you? The blueberry.
Yeah, I thought that was really tasty.
It was okay. It was nowhere near as good as the pistachio thing.
So just as a side note as well, we didn't, but other guests were asking for more savouries.
Yeah, which I
So-
wish we had done. Because I think I'd have preferred another one of those chicken things.
Oh yeah.
Two one.
I guess that's a thing that you can do, maybe. We didn't ask.
We
'cause-
didn't,
Well,
but it
I
was
say
enough
we
food
as
for
in
us.
I didn't ask because I was full,
But
but
really fun.
yeah, it was more than enough food for
And-
what we wanted.
In the video, it looks quite like they're quite tight at the jam and cream, but that's not the case. They just give you more.
Yeah, we were also going to Keel and Cow for dinner, so didn't really want to overfill because that's another vlog, but that was delicious. Yeah, it was very nice.
That's
this is
pipetted in. It was,
Jordan pipetting away.
I don't know why I bothered. I knew I wasn't going to eat it.
Cue Jordan's reaction for how tasty the rum is. So this is the rum that they make on board when it's
Oh,
in
is
the
it?
Caribbean. I can't think what it's called. There is, I think it's on the menu. Jordan loves rum. This is me breaking into my bowl. Oh, oh, oh dear.
Rating of the ball
Uh,
out of 10.
I thought it was tasty. There was something in there that you didn't want, I don't think.
Yeah, and then that's us doing one really.
And then we were out of there. I think we were in there for about 2 hour and a half.
Yeah, I think so.
Hour and 45
We
minutes.
could have been longer. We were just full really
Yeah.
fast. Like it was really delicious, to be fair. So I think what do you normally pay for like an afternoon tea? When you were above £25, 25, 30, 35, depends where you go. So to think you can have that on the ship for £17.50, I thought was
It was a nice experience, especially for like the last sea day, I thought.
yeah, it was 'cause it was cold anyway. On the way back to Southampton.
Yeah.
So I thought value for money was not bad. Do you want to rate the bits? Let's do it out of 10. Lobster roll.
Ooh, a lobster roll I thought was like a solid 8. With
I
the
want to
samphire
hope
on the
because I
top there.
don't like lobster.
That
The
was
corn-fried
really good.
paprika chicken, 9.
Well, you had both of those, but
9. And then the smoked salmon little tartlet. The
little
other.
tartlet, I would say 7. It could have been bigger, but it was very tasty.
Pistachio financier, the little green thing.
On the outsides, 7.
9.
Oh,
And
wow.
then blueberry yogurt cheesecake.
Oh, that was
4.
tasty. I thought that was like a solid 8.
4. Golden
And then-
chocolate sphere.
The golden chocolate sphere, 8.
6.
Oh, no likey.
The Verine Mont Blanc, the thing in the rum. I'm not gonna do that one.
That was nice. It was a bit loose. A little bit loose.
Who's the owner of
It was a
these?
little bit. I don't know, please. It was a little bit too loose, I thought, and it might have been even more loose because I just put all of the rum that was in the pipette in.
And it's difficult to put in the jar, but
Yeah.
and then the scones.
Good, yeah. But
It's not
I think
very
I was just like so full by that point in time. The scone itself was nice. I would say like 8. I don't think I tried the cacao scone.
No, we were
But
full.
the only slight disappointing thing was it wasn't the clotted cream. And I'm like, if it was clotted cream, I think it would have been very good. It was
think
like
a 7.
whipped cream.
Overall rating for the experience?
8.
7.
They were really attentive. Service was really good. They were all really friendly. The tea was really nice. Could have tea or coffee. I think there's an option to sort of like have sparkling wine or champagne as well. So I think it was really nice. It was like a nice different way to spend in a seating.
To be fair, I'm going to bump mine up to 8.
And then when you were on your way out, you can make a left turn into the crow's nest.
Which is what we did.
Which is exactly what we did. Yeah, it's very nice. Overall, I would say 8 out of 10.
Would you recommend it and would you do it again?
I would recommend and I would do it again.
Would you go in our attire?
I wouldn't go in that attire, possibly not. I would definitely wear a shirt. It's definitely like shirt and trousers. It's not shorts or gym gear. And it did say when we went in there that it was evening casual,
Okay.
which doesn't include gym gear.
But there was more casual in the room.
There was there were like pockets of people. There were pockets, not short pockets. There were pockets of people who were like very like dressed in the same way that we were dressed, and then there were like pockets of people who just rocked it.
I would definitely like to have breakfast in there.
I'd like to go for dinner as well, so I've seen a lot of good like reviews of other people who've had a good experience.
I found that rooms quite similar to the sort of restaurants we ate in on the NCL cruise. Like the smaller sort of restaurant rooms instead of just these big dining halls.
Yeah.
And I quite like that sort of.
Yeah, it was nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it was nice.
Yeah, I'd definitely do it again. Thumbs up from us. Yeah, so check out our other videos. We've got a couple of other videos now as well, and let us know what you would like to see from us.
Don't forget, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you can please, and check out our other social medias.
It does make a massive
Who
difference.
rolls?
Who roll.
Thank you so much everyone.
See you soon. Bye.
Adios.
You were about to find out.
The answer is yes.
Let's just save that till the end. Okay. So, this is like the worst kept secret. This is how we're dressed. And we are in 5 seconds in.